Hello everyone, my name is Gary Smith. Today we're going to talk about octave chord chord and what comes beyond octave chord chord. In older gospel music and in older country music, you'll hear, particularly with the bass guitar, you'll hear them play 1 and 5 in the bass. What do I mean by 1 and 5? An F scale. F, that's 1. 3, 4, 5. They play 1, 5, 1, 5. Or you optionally can play the fifth lower. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. As you go to your key change to B flat in this song, 1, 5, 1, 5. You can also do it down here, 1, 5, 1, 5. You get to a C eventually in this song. 1, 5, 1, 5. You can also do it down here, 1, 5. So bear with me, that's not our ultimate destination, but it helps us along the way to show you a few things. What a friend we have in Jesus, using that 1-5 bass, that old-fashioned simple bass. I can't help but want to walk. That's what's needed next. We need to walk between those. See, it's kind of playing without walking. And notice I'm playing the one note on count number 1, beat number 1, but it's on beat number 3 where I play the fifth. Ooh, that's a lot of numbers, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now let's add some walks as we change from F to B flat to C. By walks, I mean from F we go, and then we're doing our 1, 5, 1. Now let's make that 1 an octave. Okay, in F, rather than 1, 5, let's do a whole octave. 1, except for the fifth, we'll do a single note. Every time. Walk to F. Notice I did something different there. Okay. As you near the end, F, you're going to a C in the 5 chord. On your way back to F to finish, you can do a different kind of walk. You start on the 3rd, so from F you go start here to your 5th. You can even walk from your 3rd up to your 5th and walk again. Oh, all these walks are making it interesting now. So we're doing the 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, B flat, 5, 1. Walk to the C, C, 5th, C, up to F. And as we're nearing the end of the song or end of the verse or end of the chorus, we can go C, C, F. What a friend we have in Jesus. But let's blend now. Let's combine this 1-5 thing. 1, 5, 1. must combine that with octave chord chord. Okay, so we combined octave chord chord with the 1 and 5. So we did F octave chord, a C octave but an F chord, F octave chord, C octave chord. When we got to B flat, B octave, B flat chord, F octave, B flat chord, F octave, B flat chord, F, and so on. When we got to C, it was C octave, C chord, G octave, C chord, C octave, C chord. So much more I want to work on with you. We'll be covering arpeggios in another video and adding extra little twinkles. Looking forward to you joining me on other videos. Thanks again for watching today. And goodbye for now, my friends, and may God bless.